okay, if one has impure clothes and cannot, if one has got impure clothes and cannot change them, one can pray in them when prayer time has come, or should be wait until he is able to change. No, alhamdulillah, this is a disparate situation. In disparate situation, the rules of prohibition is overruled. So alhamdulillah, definitely your body, your clothes should be clean. But if you have a time and like you have come to a position where there is time for the prayer, and if you wait for you to change your clothes, and then in that situation you won't be able to able to pray the prayer on time, then it is allowed for you to pray in that, as long as your dress is not harming others by smell or not polluting the other people's place where you pray, or otherwise you should not pray in those places, because you are creating a big mess up with the other people as well. But alhamdulillah, if it is a time for the prayer and you don't have the enough time to change your clothes, and then you should you can pray in that. Salam.